Good afternoon, everybody. This is Karen Martz. All right, guys, we're back over at Shelter Cove Community Park. Freedom and I were here last week, twice. Hey, Freedom. Now we've got a bird singing in the tree. It's probably going to be a mockingbird. Freedom's like, oh yeah. And then we have two marsh rabbits here. But then, oh my gosh, we were just chatting with Wanda, and she was feeding the rabbits. Look at what's on the ground, folks. Freedom, this is a red-winged blackbird. Oh my gosh. And then on our left we have the marsh rabbit. So the red-winged blackbird, I don't expect you guys to see very well. I'm just shooting on the cell phone. But it's got what's called a chevron on the wing. It's a red set of feathers with a little bit of yellow. Hey, Freedom. Okay, so that's that black little spot there in the grass. And then let's see Freedom. Oh, we got a cypress tree right here. Hey, Freedom. And then I'm not sure, this is probably a live oak, the tall one. Here goes a bird. I'm not, that bird was probably a red-winged blackbird female. Hi, Freedom. Because the females are more brownish. They've got a couple different browns going on. Hello. Hi, Freedom. Freedom's excited because he knows people are coming his way and he loves seeing people. Hi, Freedom. Okay, we're signing off live. Hi, Freedom. Freedom, are you excited? Say, I'm in my travel cage. I'm having a great time watching the rabbits. Have a great night.